Hey, fifth grade, it's Miss Tatum. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's go ahead and jump in and get started with our first lesson this week. So, our objective is that Kipsters will be able to monitor and adjust their comprehension of a nonfiction text by asking and answering questions. So, in order to get started, we need to review our annotation strategy for nonfiction. So, when we see a nonfiction text, the first thing that we are going to want to do is look at the text features and think, what information do they give you? Some examples of text features are headings or titles, subheadings, captions, pictures, and footnotes. Once we've looked through the text features, and while we are looking through the text features, we want to be thinking, what questions do you hope the text will answer? So as I'm reading, I'm thinking what questions I have, and I typically write these down, and today we're going to type them out. After I'm done previewing my text, I'm going to write down my prediction about what the text is mainly about. So I'm going to show you an example right now. Let's practice. First of all, before we get started, I want you guys to know that a vaccine is given usually by an injection to increase protection against a particular disease. So I'm going to read my title. Search speeds up for vaccine against new coronavirus. I wonder how scientists are going to get a vaccine so fast. I'm going to continue and read the subheadings. The new coronavirus. Well, I know the coronavirus is new. Hurried hunt for a vaccine. How long would it take to make a vaccine? I hope the text can answer this for me. Let's keep reading. Charging up the immune system. Making a vaccine without a lab. Borrowing antibodies. How could they make a vaccine without a lab? What is an antibody? I hope when I'm reading the text could answer these questions. So I'm going to go ahead and make a prediction. When I'm making a prediction, I'm trying to think and answer these questions. What do you think the author will teach you in this text? Or what will you learn? What will you learn about in this text? Well, I think I'm going to learn about how scientists are trying to make a vaccine for the coronavirus fast, without a lab, using people's antibodies. I hope you noticed that I used words from my text features, in particular words from my subheadings. So to review, these are the steps you're going to take when you start reading your article. You are going to look at the text features. While you are looking at the text features, you are going to be thinking of questions and then making a prediction. So you are going to read this article from News ELA titled, Why Everything is Closing for Coronavirus. It's called Flattening the Curve. You have 3 tasks to follow. Preview the text by looking at the text features, ask 2 questions that you hope the text will answer, and make a prediction. In order to get started, you need to click Next. You got this. I cannot wait to see the work.